Welcome back to your social science class. Chapter 4 in the earlier cities part 2. In this video, in this module, we will discuss about Harappan civilization. Since then, many cities are similar to Harappa, that is Mohenjo-daro in Pakistan, Lothal and Dholavira in Gujarat, and Kalibangam in Rajasthan. In first part, we will read about Harappan civilization and their evidences and about the special cities, ठीक है, where they live, and about the houses, drains and their street. Now today in this module we will discuss about life in the city. How was life in the city and who was the architect of the city? Mainly rulers were very busy in their construction work. Rulers planned the city and they were architects of the city. Second one is people. They were people who was lower to them and they collected raw materials such as metals, precious stones, gold, silver and other things from faraway places. And third one is scribes. Here scribes were well beings who know how to write, who help to prepare the seals and they know how to make the seals. Fourth one is craft persons are there. They are making all kinds of things like pots, ornaments and they also make toys for the children. Terracotta was used to make the toys of the children. Then new crafts in the city. Stones were mainly used to make seals. It was rectangular in shape. Animal pictures were carved on them. Shells and metals are used to make ornaments and weapons, even for vessels also. Beads were used for ornaments, to prepare the ornaments, and blades were used to sharpen the things. Even earthen pots were made by craftsmen of different designs. Before 7,000 years ago, we know that cotton were grown in Mehergarh and people started using to wear the clothes. Piece of silver vase with cloth was used to wear the clothes. How they start to make the clothes? उन्होंने clothes बनाने किमें शुरू किते? What did they used to make the clothes? They used spindle rolls for spinning clothes. They used the thread that was made of terracotta and faience. They were used to spin the thread. Faience is a material that is artificially produced. We read all these things in the chapter. I discussed few main points from the chapter with you before starting the reading of the chapter. Next point is in search of raw material. People went in search of raw material to faraway places. They got it and gave that material to the specialists. Farmers or herders produced cotton and they gave to specialists. They make clothes. So many materials they bought from other states or places like gold from Karnataka, copper from Rajasthan, so on. There is a system, processed then finished goods. For example, farmers produce cotton and cotton go to the specialist person and they made the cloth. Then next one is food for people in the cities. From where they can get the food? How does Harappan people got food? ठीक है जी. People lived in cities or in countryside. City ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਲੋਕ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਸੀ? Rulers, scribes and craft persons live in the city. Farmers and herders lives in the countryside. What type food they eat? They eat barley, pulses, rice, sesame and mustard. Then come to agriculture. They use tool made of wood, that is plug tools. Plug tools are made of terracotta. You see this picture? This is a picture of plug tool. These regions were very less in rainfall as compared to other regions. They reared cattle, goat, sheep, buffalo. They were taken their herds of animals to faraway places in search of water and grasses. They collected fruits like bird and caught and hunted animals like fish and antelope. Antelope is a kind of deer. Then next one is a closer look, Harappan town in Gujarat. We are going to see about two cities. One is Dholavira, that is in Khader Bait in Rann of Kutch. It was a fresh water reservoir and had very fertile soil. Unlike other cities, these regions were divided into three parts. This city was different because other cities were divided into two parts. One is citadel and second one is lower town. But these parts were divided into three parts. These parts were massive stone walls and gateways that was divided by the entrances that was called gateways. Later writings had been found over there that was written on white stone and wood. It was a very unique content. Second town of Gujarat is Lothal. It was below the river of Sabarmati, close to Gulf of Kambat. Raw material. Semi-precious stones are Lothal was the important center of semi-precious stones and so many objects are made over there. Storehouses. Fully made seals were found in storehouses. Workshops and storehouses are found over there. Last we can discuss in the chapter mystery of the end. So such a good civilization which were made years ago take a time to come to a civilized years ago. No one had not a sure reason that why this civilization was destroyed. It civilization क्यों destroy हो गई? Around 3900 years ago people stopped living over there. लोगों ने उथे रहना छड़ दिता. Garbage system was dumped. Less impressive house is now developed over there. Archaeologists found here few reasons this civilization stopped here. First reason is rivers dried. Second one is deforestation would have been occurred. Third, floods came in rivers. Then fourth one is these rulers lost their powers. Fifth one is people taken as slaves to some other regions. So people move towards east and south. People move towards east and south. Beta, these are some main points of the chapter that I explained to you. After that, we will start the reading of the chapter. Now, we will discuss about the life in the city. How is the life of the people of that time in Harappan cities? In the cities of Harappan civilization, cities were very crowded. They are very busy places, and there were number of craft persons, scribes, beat makers, artisans and farmers. Even small traders are there. Rulers were mainly busy in construction work. It was a reason to have a good construction work. People have to send, rulers have to send people to distant places to get metal, precious stones and other things that they wanted. They may have kept the most valuable objects such as ornaments of gold, sable or beautiful beads for themselves. They saved the ornaments, and traders was the most important factor related to that cities. They moved from one place to another to get the precious metals like gold, silver, bronze. And there were scribes. Scribes are people who know that how to write, and how they know how to prepare seals and how to write on other materials. Besides all these things, there were men and women, even craft persons, making all kinds of things. They have to make all kinds of things. There were also craft persons. They make all kind of things either in their own homes or in special workplaces. People were traveling to distant lands or returning with raw materials. Many toys are also found. The children played with them. The toys were made of terracotta. Terracotta is used to make the toys. Craft persons mainly made the toys for the children. In the picture on the left hand we saw the picture of seal, and in the right side we saw the picture of small toys mainly made of terracotta. Now we will discuss about new crafts in the cities. So many objects were found in Harappan cities. Archaeologists found so many things over there, many objects over there in Harappan cities, that is made of stone, shell or metal, including copper, bronze, gold, even silver also. Copper and bronze were used to make tools, weapons, ornaments and vessels. Gold and silver were used to make ornaments and vessels. The most striking finds are those of beads, weights and blades. Here are the pictures of ornaments. Harappans also made a seals out of stone. The shape of that seal is rectangular. It have an animal carved on them. ਉਹਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਐਨੀਮਲਸ ਨੂੰ ਕਾਰਵ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਸੀ, ਐਨੀਮਲਸ ਦੀ ਸ਼ੇਪ ਕੱਟ ਕੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬਣਾਇਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਸੀ. ਹਰਪਨਸ ਆਲਸੋ ਮੇਡ ਪॉट्स ਵਿਦ ਬਿਊਟੀਫੁਲ ਬਲੈਕ ਡਿਜ਼ਾਈਨਸ. ਬਿਊਟੀਫੁਲ ਬਲੈਕ ਡਿਜ਼ਾਈਨ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਡਿਜ਼ਾਈਨ ਕਰਕੇ what they had made the pots. Cotton was probably grown at Mehergarh from about 7,000 years ago. Pieces of cloth were found attached to the lid of a silver vase and some copper objects at Mohenjo-daro also. They create a cotton rolls with copper objects. Archaeologists have also found spindle rolls. Spindle rolls find out कितने ने archaeologists ने. They used that thread made of terracotta and faience. They were used to spin the thread. They spin the thread and they make the cotton rolls. What is faience? Faience is an artificial material. बेटा एक artificial material produce किया जाता सी. A gum was used to shape sand or powdered quartz into an object. Gum and sand ਨੂੰ mix ਕਰਕੇ ਇੱਕ object बनाई जाती सी. The objects were then glazed, resulting in a shiny, glazy surface. The colors of the glaze were usually blue and sea green. Faience were used to make beads, bangles, earrings and tiny vessels. You see in the picture. Many of the things that were produced were probably the work of specialists. Who are specialists? Specialist is a person who is trained to do one kind of work. They are trained to do one kind of work. Specialist is a person that is specialist in his own work. For example, cutting stones, polishing beads or carving seals. Okay, they have specialist persons are those persons who was trained to do only one kind of work, that is cutting of stone, or one is specialized in polishing beads, one is specialized in carving seals. Everybody could not be a specialist. हर एक बंदा स्पेशलिस्ट नहीं सी. ठीक है जी. We don't know that men are specialist or women are specialist. Perhaps both are specialist, even men or women. There were various roles of people. Some were polishing the beads, some were carving the seals, and some were cutting the stones. They all are specialists. Next one is in search of raw materials. Raw material are substances that are either found naturally, such as wood or ores of metal, that is come from nature, or produced by farmers or herders, and it is used to produce finished goods. For example, cotton produced by farmers. Farmers produce the cotton. Cotton is a raw material that may be used to make cloth. While some of the raw materials that the Harappans used were available locally, many items such as copper, tin, gold, silver, precious stones had to be brought from distant places. They have to move to distant places to collect, to brought gold, silver or precious stones. Some raw materials they get locally and some they can brought from distant places. Harappans probably got copper from present day Rajasthan. Where they can get the copper? From present day Rajasthan, even from Oman in West Asia. Tin, which was mixed with copper to produce bronze. Tin was mixed with the copper and bronze is produced. It may have been brought from present day Afghanistan and Iran. Gold could have come all the way from present day Karnataka. From where they can get the gold? From Karnataka. And precious stones from present day Gujarat, Iran and Afghanistan. Here is one picture. How are goods carried from one place to another? ਇੱਕ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੋਂ ਗੁੱਡਸ ਨੂੰ ਕੈਰੀ ਕਰਕੇ ਉਹ ਦੂਸਰੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੇ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਸੀ? This is a device they use to bring goods from one place to another, to carry goods from one place to another. Next one is food for people in the cities. From where they can get the food? While many people lived in the cities, so many people are lived in the cities, other living in the countryside. They grew crops and reared animals. These farmers and herders supplied food to craft persons, scribes and rulers in the cities. Farmers and herders supplied food to rulers or the people who lived in the cities. From the remains of the plants, we came to know that Harappans grew wheat, barley, pulses, peas, rice, sesame, linseed and mustard. A new tool, plug, was used to dig the earth for turning the soil and planting the seeds. Beta, we everybody know that what we can use to plug the field. New tool, plug is found over there, while real plugs, which were probably made of wood, have not survived. Toy models have been found. As this region does not receive heavy rainfall, some form of irrigations may have been used. उस एरिया दे विच हैवी रेनफॉल नहीं हुंदी सी, ठीक है जी। दे हैव टू फाउंड सोर्स ऑफ वाटर ओवर देयर, दे स्टोर्ड द वाटर एंड सप्लाइड टू द फील्ड्स टू ग्रो द plants. Harappans reared cattle, sheep, goat and buffalo. Water and pastures were available around settlements. Where they live, waters and pastures were available there. In dry summer months, large herds of animals were probably taken to them for long distance places in search of grass and water. Herders of animals take the animals to great distance in search of grass and water. They also collected fruits. Fruits भी collect करते सी like bear, and they caught fish, hunted wild animals like the antelope. Then a closer look, Harappan towns in Gujarat. The city of Dholavira was located on Khidar Bet, also spelled as Bet, in Rann of Kanch. There was a fresh water and fertile soil. Where is a fresh water and fertile soil? Khadir Bet in Rann of Kanch in city of Dholavira. Unlike some of other Harappan cities were divided into two parts, but Dholavira was divided into three parts. Each part was surrounded with massive stone walls. ठीक है जी, each part that was divided surrounded with massive stone walls with entrance through gateways. Okay, then there was also a large open area in the settlement where public ceremonies could be held. One large open area was there where public ceremonies could be held, जिथे public ceremonies ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਸੀ. Others find includes large letters of the Harappan script that were carved out of white stone, perhaps inlaid in wood. ਵਾਈਟ ਸਟੋਨ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਬੇਟਾ ਹਰਪਨ ਸਕ੍ਰਿਪਟ ਸੀਗੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਉਸਨੂੰ ਕਾਰਵ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਸੀਗਾ. ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ ਅ ਯੂਨੀਕ ਫਾਈਂਡ of Harappan writings that has been found on small objects such as seals. Seals ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਗਿਆ ਸੀਗਾ. City of Lothal stood beside a tributary of Sabarmati in Gujarat, close to the Gulf of Tambat. We everybody know that Lothal is in Gujarat. It was situated near the new areas बेटा जिथे raw materials such as semi precious stones were easily available. ठीक है जी. This was an important center for making objects out of stone. एक important center सी जिथे objects सीगे जेड़े that was made of stone, shell and metal. It is a storehouse in the city. There was a storehouse in the city. Many seals and ceilings were found in the storehouse. Storehouse ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ find out ਹੋਏ ਨੇ? Many seals and ceilings. A building that was found here was probably a workshop for making beads, pieces of stone, half-made beads, tools for bead making and finished beads. Beads have all been found here. Building was used for workshop. Here they made beads, pieces of stones, half-made beads, tools for bead making. ठीक है जी. So many things are found over there. Then seal and sealings. What is a seal? Seals may have been used to stamp bags or packets. Seal कादे लिए use किते जांदे सी? Stamp लगाई जांदी सी bags दे ऊपर और packets दे ऊपर that contain goods. ठीक है, that were sent from one place to another. When bag was closed or tied, a layer of wet clay was applied on the knot. ਨੋਟ ਮੀਨਸ ਗੰਢ. ਜਿੱਥੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੰਢ ਲਗਾਉਂਦੇ ਸੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਇੱਕ ਲੇਅਰ ਲਗਾ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਸੀ ਵੈਟ ਕਲੇ ਦੀ ਤੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਸੀਲ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਉਸਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰੈਸ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਸੀ. ਹੇਅਰ ਯੂ ਕੈਨ ਸੀ ਦ ਪਿਕਚਰ ਆਫ ਸੀਲ. ਦ ਇੰਪ੍ਰੈਸ਼ਨ ਆਫ ਦ ਸੀਲ ਇਜ਼ ਨੋਨ ਐਜ਼ ਸੀਲਿੰਗ. ਦੈਟ ਇੰਪ੍ਰੈਸ਼ਨ ਆਫ ਦ ਸੀਲ is given is known as sealing. If the sealing was intact, one could be sure that the good had arrived safely. अगर सीलिंग प्रॉपर हुई हुंदी सी then persons can know over there that goods had arrived safely. Seals were used even today also. Okay जी, अज भी seals ने जड़ियां यूज कीतियां जांदियां ने. How the Harappan civilization came to an end, the mystery of the end. Around 3900 years ago, we find the beginning of a major change. So many changes occur. People stopped living in the cities. Writing, seals, and weights were no longer used. Raw materials that they can brought from long distances now become rare. In Mohenjo-daro, we find the garbage piled up on the streets. ठीक है जी, ਉੱਥੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ street ਸੀਗੀਆਂ that was blocked with the garbage. The drainage system broke down and the new less impressive houses were built even over the streets. ठीक है जी, ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਸੀ, drainage system see, that was very good, but now it become broke down, it is blocked. Why did all this happen? ये क्यों होया? Nobody can know, nobody sure about it. Some scholars suggest that ਜਿਹੜੇ rivers ਸੀ बेटा वो dried up हो गए, rivers सूख गए. Others suggest that there was deforestation. This could have happened because fuel was required for baking bricks and for smelting copper ores. Besides this, grazing by large herds of cattle, sheep and goat may have been destroy the green cover. ठीक है जी. In some areas there were floods. कुछ area ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ floods आ गए. Somewhere it becomes deforestation. ठीक है जी. Rivers dried up. But none of these reasons can explain the end of all the cities. Why these cities came to an end? But no proper reason is there. Flooding or a river drying up would have had an effect in some areas. Now it appears as if the rulers lost control. ये appear होया भी जेडे rulers सीगे उन्होंने control सीगा जेडा अपना उसना दा खत्म हो गया. In any case, the effect of the change are quite clear. ठीक है जी. Sites in Sindh, West Punjab, present day Pakistan were abandoned, while many people moved into newer, smaller settlements to the east and the south. So many people moved from there, they settled to the east and in the south. New cities emerged about 1400 years later. New cities सी जड़ियाँ बेटा वो 1400 year later होंद दे विच आईयां. We will read in the next chapters. Elsewhere, everybody know about Egypt. I think तुसी सारे ने Egypt बारे सुनिया होएगा. It is a dry desert. ठीक है जी. Except for the lands along the river Nile. सिर्फ Nile river दी side तो all parts of Egypt is a dry. About 5000 years ago, kings ruled over Egypt. राजे राज करते सी उत्थे. वो अपनी आर्मीज़ ਨੂੰ ਸੈਂਡ ਕਰਦੇ ਸੀ डिस्टेंस लैंड्स ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ. For what? To get gold, silver, ivory, timber and precious stones. They also built huge tombs known as pyramids. When they died, the bodies of kings were preserved and buried in these pyramids. These carefully preserved bodies are known as mummies. बेटा ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ bodies ਨੂੰ ਉਹ ਅੱਛੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ preserve ਕਰਕੇ ਰੱਖਦੇ ਸੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ mummies ਕਿਹਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ. Large number of objects were also buried with them, with the died bodies, with the died man bodies. So many things are buried with them. These included food, drink, clothes, even ornaments, utensils, musical instruments, weapons and animals. Sometimes even serving men and women were buried with the rulers also. ਜਿਹੜੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਦੇਖਭਾਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਸੀਗੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਰਾਜਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਦਫਨਾ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਸੀ. They are amongst the most elaborate burials known in the world history. ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ world history ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ elaborate burials ਦੇ ਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਜਾਣਿਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ. kings ਦੇ ਨਾਲ so many things they have to buried. Food, drink, clothes, ornaments, even the persons who are serving that rulers. ठीक है जी. That's all for this chapter. Thank you.